The elegant combination of art and form brings about a dynamic flow of charm. Open up a beautiful visual experience for you. Wisfor luxury dining chairs, leather, creating a stylish life for you. Why choose our two-tone dining chairs? Microfiber leather or real leather. Microfiber leather, smooth feel and skin-friendly, scratch-resistant and easy to clean. Thickened fabric, not easy to deform. Waterproof and anti-fouling. Scratch-resistant, wear resistance. Add style to your home and enjoy a cozy dining experience. Double curved color block backrest. Provide better support to spine. Thick and high elasticity sponge. Combination of solid metal frame and wraparound backrest. Not easy to sink down or deform. Any multiple scenarios. Contrasting color design fits for your personal taste. Versatile piece of furniture in modern chic look, give your home a sophisticated vibe. Various styles are recommended. More recommendations. Wisfor, your fashion consultant.